The sun is extremely loud, but we just can't hear it.
It's a strange thing to think about. If there were particles between in the space, like if space wasn't a void, the world would be so weird. Because you think of all the noise traveling through that we can't hear.
Like collisions and everything that is happening.
Like our world is as noisy as it is because of the air. But if there was no air and there was a vacuum, then it becomes silent. That would be so weird. Imagine if there was like air in between us and the sun. I mean, like so much else would happen.
Like?
Well, like it could all get set on fire. It would eventually all gather together. Like that's why we have planets and gases and stuff. Yeah, because of gravity. It is one of those arguments of like, does something make noise if it can't be heard?
I was just going to say that.
Yeah.
How do you prove that?
I think the way they prove it is to say that there is energy released and that energy would vibrate air particles around it if they were there, if they were present.
Right. And so therefore,
if we put air particles around it, we could hear it.
That makes sense. I get that.